Hello, this is Paige Bessick again, sharing with you a really cool tutorial on making a choice board for Seesaw. So I recently watched a Seesaw webinar, PD in your PJs, on how to make choice boards for Seesaw, and I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would try one on my own. So, this choice board that I'm going to share with you today is for our reading options that our district has. So, in the Seesaw Resources folder, there's one that's called Reading Options, Choice Board, Seesaw. So, I just quickly made a template here with some of the big options that our district has for online reading. And what I did is I just included an image of the online link, and I linked that, and then I also linked the box that it's in. So we have Epic, Tumblebooks, Capstone, and then this is Kids A to Z Raz Kids. So what I did is I linked each one of these. You can see student login for Epic, Tumblebooks, Capstone. Again, these are all linked to the direct links. If you have Raz Kids or haven't signed up for Raz Kids this year, for the rest of the year, I believe it's free. It's a great individualized leveled library for students. Tumblebooks, our read aloud books, you'll have to input your username and password. Capstone, our district username is Stand and the password together, and same with Epic, you'll want to put in your class code here. Make sure to file and make a copy before you edit it, and so that you're not editing everybody's and everybody doesn't have all your information. So I've already done this for my students, but you're going to make sure you edit this. And then you're going to go up into Seesaw. You can share it. See, I've already shared it with my students. But I'm going to go up into Seesaw, and you could do this a couple ways. You could add this into an activity. If you are adding it into an activity, you're going to create a new activity, and you're going to put this into the multimedia instructions or examples. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to select it from my Google Drive. So you might notice that the Google Drive has a ton of different folders. I'm not sure where they're coming from, but up in search, you're going to want to search our activity reading options. There it is. And so I'm going to just click reading options choice board for Seesaw. And so you can see here that it just uploaded it right into my activity. You may want to just add your class code, username and password in here if you want, or you can do that in Google Drive as well. So when you're in here, you're going to go back to the Google Drive link, and so that everybody has access to this, so they don't have to log into Google Drive, you're going to do a couple things. You're going to click to share, and right now I have this shared, you can see, with anyone from the Middleton Cross Plains, but you're going to want to make sure that you share this with anyone who has the link, so parents can have access. So anyone with the link can view. There's no sign-in required. So I'm going to click Save. If you don't do that step, then you're going to be getting a lot of asking to be added to edits. So it's saving. Of course, it's taking forever. Let's see. Whoop, of course, save. Okay. So the other option, or the other thing you're going to want to make sure you do, is you're going to go up to File. You're going to publish to the web so that students and parents have direct access to it and they don't have to go through Google. So once I publish to the web, I've already published it. I'm going to get this, stop publishing. So I'm just going to show you really quickly because I've already done this. So what it looks like for you, you're going to publish to the web. It's going to ask, you're going to say publish. You're going to have to press OK. I do want to publish to the web. And then you're going to get this link here to copy it. Now, when you're in Seesaw, I'm going to go over here. Let me actually turn this on. I forgot about this. You're going to go to caption. And I'm going to just paste the link in there as another way for students to access it. So you can see caption added. Here's the activity. I'm going to press the green check. Now, when you see this, when students click on this, they will have the option to click either the link or go to view original to see the activity. So I'm going to say use these links to access online books. Okay, so reading, or what you call it, digital reading. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to save it. And then I have it in the library. So then when you go to that activity, you can see students can either click right on this link, which is shared to the web, so that it opens it right away. Of course, that's going to happen because I took it from unpublishing. Normally that'll work. Or you could say view original, view Google Doc. So then it's going to open up right away here, and I can click on any of these and be taken directly to that link. So I'm going to Epic right here. I could go back and go to Tumble Books, right? So it's super easy for them to click. What I did with my board is I ended up sharing it as a student announcement, simply because I wanted students to be able to access it quickly and not have to scroll through all the activities. So I just said send student announcements. You can see it right there. I said add attachments, upload from Google Drive. Remember, you search in here, add the link, and then you should be good to go. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the district website, again, or district email page, Bessic. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks. Bye.